In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture during a Zoom meeting. This is handy if you're mid-call and want a more professional or up-to-date image to appear whenever your camera is off. You can do this live without leaving the meeting, and it only takes a moment. First, open the Participants panel. On the Zoom toolbar at the bottom of your meeting window, click Participants. If your toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse to make it appear. On smaller screens or when you're in full screen, this option might be tucked under the More menu. Just expand it and select Participants. A panel will appear on the side of your screen showing everyone in the meeting. Next, locate your own name in that panel and hover your mouse over it to reveal a small three-dot More button. Click those three dots. If you don't see them right away, try widening the Participants panel or scrolling to find your name. The menu that opens contains options specific to your profile within the meeting. From that menu, choose Edit Profile Picture. This opens a dialog where you can manage the image that represents you when your video is off. Don't worry, you can change this even if your camera is currently on. The new picture will show the next time your video is disabled. Now click Change Picture. Your computer's file picker will appear so you can choose a photo. For best results, select a clear, well-lit image where your face is centered. Zoom accepts common formats like JPG and PNG, and square or nearly square images work especially well. After selecting a file, you may see a simple crop or zoom tool. Drag the image to center your face, and use the slider if you need to zoom in or out so it looks balanced within the frame. Finally, click Save. Some versions show a Save button in the crop window and another Save or Done button in the profile dialog. Make sure you confirm both if prompted. Your new profile picture updates immediately and will appear in the current meeting when you turn your camera off, and it will carry over to future meetings on this account. If you don't see the change right away, close and reopen the Participants panel or briefly turn your video off and back on. And that's it. You've updated your Zoom profile picture during an active meeting without missing a beat. If your organization manages your account and the option is disabled, you may need to contact your admin. Otherwise, you're all set for a polished, professional look in every call.